So, welcome to the second Witch Casket subscription box that I've ordered. This is July 23, which is Magic of the Night, which I'm very intrigued by. I did get this a couple of days ago, but I've had a full house, so I wasn't able to unbox it. So, I've literally opened it just to make life a little easier. Put that there a minute. So we've got a print, which is pretty nice actually. I'm not sure how well you can see it because it's quite dark, but I do like that. It's got our usual goals and manifestations things. And we have got a prophetic dreams candle ritual kit. All you need to encourage prophetic dreams. Sounds interesting. It's over here. A bedtime witch's brew. So I'm not big on tea, but jasmine and chamomile. Give that a go. Prophetic dreams pillow. So I've actually taken that out of the box so you can see it, and it's a little pillow, sort of I imagine put under your own pillow or next to your pillow. And that actually is lavender and jasmine scented, so should help you relax really. A little book, which is a dream journal. Not sure how well that's focusing, to be honest, but yeah, I mean, purple back winning. Oh, look at that, pretty. It's purple, and I really like it. See, I don't remember my dreams, but I'm hoping maybe that'll change. We've got the nighttime reading bedside book stand. Okay, this I have made up so that you can see it, because obviously it came in the box. So this is what it looks like. Obviously I'll be pushing it together properly in a bit. And we have, oh come here, okay, a nice pen for the journal. Very nice. A pretty bat pin, because I mean you can't really go wrong with bats or pins. A moonstone. A blue lace agate bracelet. And the spell this time is Flowers in Dreams parchment scroll. Curious about that. So yeah, what do you think?